Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome to the today's class. Students, in this session we have to getting the notes. We have to getting the notes. Okay, related to the Western Desert lesson. Okay, all of you open your SEM book, page number 227. So now we have to fill the exercise part in this textbook. Okay, exercise part ana ನಮ್ಮ SEM book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ exercise part ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ fill ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, all of you open your SEM book, the page number 227 page ಅನ್ನು open ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, the first main in this exercise part is fill in the blanks. Okay, the first question is the dash canal brings water from river Satluj to Rajasthan. This is the first question. So the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first question, the dash canal brings water from river Satluj to Rajasthan. What is the answer for this question? The answer is Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi. Okay, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is the first answer for the question. Next, andre Indira Gandhi canal inda ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಟ್ಲೇಜ್ ರಿವರ್ ಇಂದ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಥ್ರೂ ನೀರನ್ನ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗಾಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೋಲೀಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೋಲೀಸ್. Okay, this is the answer for the second question. The third question is people travel on camels across the desert in groups called. What is the answer for this question? The answer is caravan. The answer is what? Caravan. Caravan. Okay, this is the answer for the third question. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕರವನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಕವರ್ ವಿತ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಸೊ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಸೊ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಲೂಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೂಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ the great Indian desert is also known as dash desert. So ಈ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? is the answer for this question. So these are all the answer for the what? Fill in the blanks questions. Okay, you have to fill in your sum book. Next, we move to the B part. The B part, tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. B. Tick the correct answers. So the first question in this main, Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, is also known as. The year 3 multiple answers is or multiple options is there. We have to select right answer. You in front of the right answer you put right mark. Okay. So the first option is white city, second option is pink city, third option is green city. Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, is also known as what? The right answer is pink city. The right answer is answer B, pink city. Pink city. In front of this word you put right mark. Second, a fertile place in a desert is called a yan. Anta ide alva? So the options are sandal, oasis, delta. So the right answer is oasis. Answer B. Oasis. Oasis, okay. Third, plants such as the dash grow in the deserts. Plants such as the dash grow in deserts. Right answers are cactus, rose, hibiscus. So the right answer is option A, cactus. Option A, cactus. 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 Next, fourth question is water from the river dash has been brought to the Thar desert. Option A, Krishna. Option B, Jhelum. Option C, Salt Lake. You have to select right answer for this question. So we getting water from which river? In the desert region or Thar desert? Salt Lake. The right answer is Salt Lake. Okay, Salt Lake. Fourth one, Salt Lake. Answer C. Answer Salt Lake. Salt Lake. Right mark. Salt Lake. Okay. So the last question. People who travel from one place to another in search of food are called dash. The three options is there: Lepchas, Maldaris and Banjaras. The right answer is the fifth question. The right answer is C, Banjaras. Banjaras. Okay, this is the right answer for the fifth question. You put write mark in this box. Okay, these are all answer for the second main, the tick right answer. Okay, you have to fill in your textbook. Okay, ಈ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we move to the third main, match the following. Okay, ನಾವೀಗ match the following ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಸೊ now I have the board. Match the following. So students, all of you observe your same book. Match the following. Match the following. Match the following. This is the C-main. Okay. The first one is small hills of sand. Small hills of sand. Second one, city of lakes. City of lakes. Third one, river shortage. River shortage. River shortage. River shortage. Fourth one, ship of the desert. Ship of the desert. Fifth one is spring of water. Spring of water in a desert. Spring of water in a desert. Okay, so in this spot, Indira Gandhi Canal. So Indira Gandhi Canal is there, no? Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, Indira Gandhi Canal. Next, Oasis. Camel. Third one, camel. Sandals. Udaipur. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. So we have to match with the right answers. Small hills of sand. We call it as sandals. You have to match in your textbook. Okay. These sandals ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು first one small hills of sand ಅನ್ನ match ಮಾಡೋಣ. Next, city of lakes. City of lakes is Udaipur. We have to match with this. Okay. River shortage. We match with Indira Gandhi Canal. Alva, Indira Gandhi Canal. So ship of the desert. Yaudu? Camel. Camel is the ship of the desert. Spring of water in a desert. you. So you have to match in your SEM book. Next, we move to where? We move to the give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. Alva. So the D main is give one word for the following anta ide alva. So ಆ ಒಂದು main na ನಾವು fill ಮಾಡೋಣ. So now we have to write give one word for the following. So ಮುಗಿತಲ್ವಾ? So next give one word answers. One word answers na ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. D main give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. Okay. For the following. So first question. Pink city of Rajasthan. Which is the pink city of Rajasthan? Alva. Pink city of the Rajasthan. Rajasthan alli ನಾವು pink city ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Answer is Jaipur. Answer is Jaipur. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. So next, second. A useful animal of the desert. A useful animal of the desert. Which is the useful animal of the desert? Answer is what? Camel. Useful animal of the desert. So ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಬುಕಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬರ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a useful animal of the desert. The useful animal of the desert. So ಈ ರೀತಿ question ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So in front of this question one dash is there. So you have to write right answer in front of this question. The answer is camel. Okay. So next, the third question is large areas covered with sand where there is very little water. Large areas covered with sand where there is a little water. So the answer for this question is what? So third question answer is desert. Okay, desert. The right answer is desert. So that is what? Desert. The right answer. So next, the fourth question. They travel on camels across the desert in groups called. They travel on camels across the desert in groups called. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕರವಣ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರವಣ್. Okay, Karavan is the right answer. So the remaining part of this exercise is answer the following questions is there. So answer the following questions we getting in our next class. Thank you students.